Did you know ginseng is one of the oldest medicinal plants in the world for thousands of years? It has been used in traditional Chinese medicine due to its multiple health benefits. It's also known as the root of life due to its exceptional therapeutic properties. Ginseng is a slow-growing plant that requires specific environmental conditions to thrive. It takes around 6 years for it to reach maturity, and it's usually found in shady forests and mountainous regions. The root is the most valuable part of the plant, and its shape often resembles a human body, with a curved shape resembling the legs and arms. But did you know there are different types of ginseng? Yes, that's right. The most common varieties are American ginseng, Korean ginseng, and Siberian ginseng. Each one has specific characteristics and benefits, like American ginseng being used to reduce stress, while Korean ginseng is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties.